Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So we got some exciting news today. It's 5:45 in the afternoon. We're about to take off to Laredo because our countertops are in. Literally took a week for it to get to Home Depot, so that's why I look like this, because we were literally not doing anything all day. And I'm so sorry if you guys can hear the car bell. Bert's looking for the key to his car. But I'm about to do my face because I also want to go to Old Navy and I don't want to look dead. So I'm just going to do like a real quick face and we'll see you guys there. Now that I look human again. What do you have Pandora on here? SPM.
SPM, bro.
Hey, Melinda likes this. Melinda and Jacob. She's always jamming to SPM. I think it's Jacob who sings this.
Wiggy. That was before Baby Bash. That was back in the day when Baby Bash was with SPM.
Her and the girls jam to this. But anyways, today is April. What's the day? May.
29.
It's May 29 today, and since I didn't vlog for the past 2 days, baby girl already got she got this molar on the bottom. She has the two top ones. She got this one. She's about to get this other one, and I think the tooth next to like this one is coming out also, because I can sort of see it, and my hairs are white because of the powder. But she's back here. Hi, mi amor. She goes. She's eating some Cheerios and Bert's here. Así. Alright, that was all I wanted to tell you guys. What happened to your Cheerios?
I'm here too.
Why are you putting your Cheerios there? Huh? We just got here. So excited, so excited.
I got a sign.
Oh. We got it, mama. We got it. You excited? You excited? Cause mama's excited. Cookies. Cookies. There are no cookies in there. We're gonna have some dinner.
Sola.
We're gonna eat dinner now. So funny. Dip it, mommy. She blew on it. Bite it, mama. love you so much.
I caught you.
This video is in continuation from yesterday's. We're in Laredo again. Are you salty?
Am I what?
Are you salty?
Am I salty?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Bert's upset because we just left cons. My brother-in-law's with us, Elias. But we came to eat. Then we have to go to Home Depot. We have to go buy several things. But Bert asked me where I wanted to eat, as he always does. And I tell him every time that I want to come eat at Buffalo Wild Wings. And today I told him and he was like, nah, I don't want to go there today. Oh.
Right. Look, mommy.
Daddy is mine. Daddy, give me a besito. So, but whatever, we're gonna eat here. I don't care. Alright guys, so we've gone to multiple other places after we left having lunch. We actually went to Old Navy and we went to Big Lots. And I also forgot to mention that I met a subscriber while we were at cons. If I remember correctly, she said her name was Anna Lee, I think. So hello, thanks for coming up to me. Even though I was stuffing my face with Funyuns, I was sharing Funyuns with Grecia. And it was so funny because I think I had just put a Funyun in my mouth when she came up and said, hey look, there she goes. Yeah, there she goes. But we did come back to cons to pick up some stuff. I'm all dirty. I can never wear white. But I guess I'll show y'all what we got from Old Navy, because what we got from Big Lots is really like, I'm gonna make a lot of noise and Grecia fell asleep, so I don't want to do that. Yes, the reason why we bought this clothes is because it is Easter weekend and we do want to take some family pictures for Easter, since we don't have like a legit family photo. We just have like random pictures that people have taken of us, but I want, like, you know, a nice edited family picture where we actually dress up and stuff. There's like an awesome sale going on at Old Navy right now. So yesterday we did go and I bought Grecia 2 shirts and a dress and a pair of sandals yesterday, and I didn't show you guys that because yesterday I hardly vlogged. I just showed when we went to Home Depot to pick up the Formica. But I got a pair of jeans. Bert got a pair of shorts. Ow, I just stabbed the crap out of my foot. And then he's going to wear this, like, it's a navy blue shirt and it has bunnies on it. I don't know. Oh, there. It has little bunny rabbits on it. I'm vlogging.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh,
and then I got 2 shirts, but I think for the pictures I'm gonna wear this one because her dress is like a pale yellow dress. So I'm gonna wear this shirt. It's just an off the shoulder shirt, so it'll match with her, and then it's got some like blue in it or like purple to match with Bert. And then I also got this shirt that I'll probably wear for Easter. I'm not sure, but I like this one too, and I could either wear this one or the other one because this has yellow in it too. So I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I haven't made up my mind. And then Bert just got a pair of khaki shorts, and I think he's gonna wear khaki shorts for the pictures, or he's gonna wear the khaki shorts for the pictures. But after this I'm gonna go to Walmart just to buy some fruit for Grecia, real like in and out, because I got a whole bunch of like kitchen things at Big Lots, but I'll show you guys that when we get home. So we'll see you guys when we get there. So we just got home, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got at Wally World. You guys can see my messed up hair. I got this thing. It's just a suction sink caddy for my sink. I got lettuce, a new measuring cup because the one that I had, it like the numbers washed off, some ranch dressing, and some lemons, some bananas for my baby girl. I got Grecia some apples because she could eat like 2 apples a day. Then I got some of these. I didn't even tell Bert I bought them. They're white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. These are my favorite cookies. I saw them and I said I have to have them. I got Grecia some of her kiwis because she hasn't had kiwis in a long time. And then the last thing I bought for her are her blackberries. And then I'm going to show you guys what we got at Big Lots and Home Depot, because we did go buy the panels. So Bert's going to put those up tomorrow. So we got this little roller because we need to like roll the glue on it. And then some bungee cords. I bought these at Big Lots. Do you know how much these were? $2.50 or $3.50 a piece. I got these placemats at Big Lots. They're just gray and they're like knitted, I think. And they're super thick, really good quality. And I just got them for my kitchen table because every time I put something that's hot on there, like it turns white and I don't like it, and it takes a while for it to like go back to normal. And then we just got some lighters for our candles. Her dad did buy her this baby that has a crib, but the baby's in her car seat. And then I got this spoon. It's a stainless steel, like to put your spoon on top of the stove or whatever. Some silicone to put under the sink once Bert puts the stuff down. And then another brush because I still need to paint. I got this little brush from Scotch-Brite. And then I bought my favorite sponges to wash dishes, and that's all we got. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what our countertops are gonna look like. I'm not gonna take it out, I'm just gonna try to show you guys what it looks like. Ooh. So this is what she's gonna look like. Ah. You guys can't, I mean, you can sort of tell, but not really. But you'll see in tomorrow's video. Hopefully Bert can install it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I love the way you count. You do such a good job, Mommy. You're so smart. So, I'm going to go ahead and do an outro for this video real quick because it is the next day again, and it's like 5 in the afternoon, and we're watching The Karate Kid.
Are we gonna do the thing?
Yes.
So why are you gonna do outro?
Because it's already 2 days of a video, so I'm gonna start a whole new one. So we'll see you guys.
Finish this day and then start tomorrow a new video. And then
I'm gonna vlog again.
You're gonna show this?
Yes.
Well, that's the same thing that I'm telling
I'm
you.
ending yesterday's video. Oh my gosh, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.
No.
You don't know what I'm doing.
You're gonna start it today. How are you gonna start it today if it's gonna be tomorrow?
Babe, we're gonna start the kitchen. It's a whole new video.
Just finish the video today and upload it tomorrow.
I haven't uploaded in like 3-4 days.
And that's my fault? No, that's your fault.
I'm about to upload.
No, you can't just
guys
do 2 videos in 2 different days. How you gonna do that?
How am I gonna do 3?
No, you're gonna
that
do
makes no
yesterday's
sense.
and
That's
today's.
it. I'm gonna start another video. Bye.